Hello guys, welcome back to another Scratch tutorial on how to make a brick breaker game. So this is a simple brick breaker game where you have a paddle that is following your mouse and you have a ball launching, and if the ball touches the paddle or the bricks then it bounces, and whenever a ball hits the brick disappears, and every 8 seconds there will be a new ball coming, and if I lose all the balls then we die and it stops the game, and if I win then it will stop the game too. So let's make it. So in here I have 3 sprites: paddle, bricks and ball. So in the paddle it's just a simple white square, and in the bricks is a simple white square too, and in the ball is a simple circle. All of them are in the middle. Okay, so in the stage we have a black backdrop, and now let's make the game. So in the paddle sprite we'll put in a when green flag clicked, you'll go to x 0, y negative 140, and then we'll put in a forever loop. We will set x to mouse x, and that is very simple. So now if we move the paddle it follows us, and that is really good. Okay, so now let's make the bricks. So let's go into the brick sprite. So in here we'll put in one green flag clicked. We will go to x negative 224 and y 162, and then we will show, and we'll make a new block naming it create blocks, run without screen refresh. Okay, and then create blocks, and then define create blocks. We will put in a repeat 5, then inside of it we'll put in a repeat 10. We will create clone of myself. I think it's not 10, I think it's 15. And then we'll change x by 32. And we'll set x to negative 224 right here. We'll change y by negative 32. Okay, so let's test that. And oh yeah, got that. We just need to put in a hide block at the very end, and it's like that. It's so cool. So that's it for the bricks. So now let's go to the ball sprite, and then we'll put in a when green flag clicked. We will hide, and then at the very beginning we'll wait 2 seconds, and then forever we will create clone of myself, and we'll wait 8 seconds. Okay, and then when I start as a clone we will go to paddle, then we want to change y by 20 at the very first, and then we'll point in direction 45, that, and we'll of course show, and then forever we'll put in a move 10 steps, then if on edge bounce block. So now if we wait 2 seconds, and you can see the ball is bouncing everywhere. Now let's make it so that it bounces on the paddle and the bricks. So let's go to if, put in an or, if touching paddle or bricks, then we will point in direction 180 minus direction. That now it can bounce off, I guess. Okay, so it bounced off like real life. So that is the basic ball physics. So now let's make it when the ball touches the bricks and the brick has to destroy. So let's go into the brick sprite. And then we'll put in a when I start as a clone. Forever if touching ball, we'll just simply delete this clone, and just like that we already have a destroying game. But now we have to keep track of the bricks that are alive, so that when it reaches 0 the game will end and you win. Okay, so we'll first make a new variable, naming it bricks ball sprite. Make sure right. At first we'll set bricks to 75, because 5 times 15 equals 75. And then right below, right above the delete this clone, we'll change bricks by -1. Okay, so like that. Now test this, and now we have a cool brick game, and the bricks always decrease. That. Okay, so now let's make, if we lose all our balls, then we will lose. So in the ball sprite, we'll make a new variable naming it balls, ball sprite. At first we'll set balls to 1, make sure. And then right here we'll change balls by 1, but we'll put in an if timer is more than 5. So basically when you press the green flag, the timer will reset back to 0. So this is very useful for our game, because if we set the ball to 0, then it will go bad. So like this, put it right here. And now if we go ahead and play, at first the balls is still 1, even though a new clone was there. And after 5 seconds the ball spawns, then the ball increases, so that's good. And now we'll make it when it touches the bottom, we'll make it die. We'll put in an if y position is less than -165, then we'll delete this clone and we'll change balls by -1. Let me hide all of those. So now let's test this, and I am pretty sure we are done. And oh, that's cool. And then yeah, I think that is it. So if we lose all our balls, the game doesn't die. Oh yeah, I forgot to add that. So in the paddle, I'll put in an if balls is less than 1, then we'll stop all. And in the bricks too, we'll put in a forever loop if the bricks is less than 1, then we will stop all like that. Clean up. Okay, so I think that is it. So thank you for watching. Please leave a like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.